Given the function f of, or j of x equals 15x to the fourth minus x squared minus 1 over 3x to the fourth plus 4x minus 12, we want to use the leading terms to find a simpler function with the same end behavior. Well, the end behavior here is going to be approaching 5, the horizontal asymptote. So I'm actually going to do that part first in part B, the equation of the horizontal asymptote. Since the degrees are the same, 4, in both the numerator and denominator, the equation of the horizontal asymptote is just